I woke up in the morning, saw the birds. Hello, fellow birds, how you doing? Well, I'm doing great, thanks to you. When you're singing in the morning, it's music to my ears. It's nothing in the world I would rather hear. When you chirp in the evening during supper when I'm eating, you make my meal better just by you being. It's so majestic when you fly above all the birds, from the blue jays to the doves. I love your singing, I can't get enough. All your beautiful songs always got me feeling up. Blue skies and starry nights, you're up there no matter the time. Blue skies and starry nights, you're up there no matter the time.